Unfamiliar dogs make Myrtle nervous and reactive. We want to change this behavior.
Perfect.
Up to this point, Myrtle has mastered her focus and attention exercises in the house and has progressed to practicing these same exercises in the higher distraction environment of her backyard. Now, we are introducing some calm, well-mannered dogs to the outdoor environment. Myrtle will be challenged to perform the same focus exercises with the dogs at a distance. If your dog is reactive, try to keep them under threshold during training sessions if you can. Avoid situations where your dog is likely to overreact whenever possible. If your dog won't take treats or respond to you, the distraction is too big and the situation is too difficult, stay calm and move further away. As the distraction dog approaches, we help Myrtle prepare. She receives clicks and treats for eye contact, just as we have practiced in the past. When Myrtle gets distracted, we prepare to use the leash to move her away from the fence, but Myrtle chooses to redirect her attention back to us all by herself.
Perfect.
She has made an excellent choice because she has practiced her redirection skills over and over. Here's Myrtle the following week with a different dog. Myrtle has been consistently rewarded for not reacting, and we are now seeing a much calmer dog. Now we are taking Myrtle on a walk with a calm dog half a block ahead of her. We occasionally call her name to redirect her attention back to us during the walk, just as we have done in the yard. As long as Myrtle is relatively relaxed and responsive to us, we will allow her to slowly get a little closer to the other dog. Myrtle is interested in sniffing where this dog has been, and we encourage her to do this. Allowing her the space and time to sniff and gather information about the other dog is very helpful in keeping her calm.
Myrtle. Yes.
Then we practice variations, such as walking parallel to a dog on the opposite side of the street, and walking in front of the dog rather than behind him.
All right, so we got Myrtle and Onyx probably within about, 5 feet of each other. Good girl, Myrtle. Good job.
Nose to the ground behavior is something we encourage with reactive dogs as an appropriate alternative to barking and lunging. Nose to tail greetings are a polite, appropriate way for dogs to learn more about each other. So long as Myrtle is calm and appropriate, she is allowed to approach for a sniff. It's important for the handler of a reactive dog to model calmness. Notice that we always try to leave our leashes loose and our voices relaxed. For many humans, the toughest part about training a reactive dog is changing the way we behave in reaction to our dog's behaviors. Since neither of these dogs has a history of food aggression or resource guarding, it is safe to calmly give them treats as a reward for their calm behavior near each other. This also means that they are more focused on the human and less focused on one another. There is a saying that training a reactive dog shouldn't look like you're training a reactive dog. In order to achieve this calm proximity to Buck, Myrtle first needed to hone some basic foundational skills. When we began her exposure to unfamiliar dogs, we took care to keep Myrtle under threshold whenever possible. It is important to try not to give a reactive dog any opportunities to continue to rehearse the unwanted behavior. Instead, we want to increase the number of experiences the dog has where she remains calm. Over time, the goal is for the number of positive or neutral experiences with other dogs to outnumber the negative ones. This is how new habits are formed. Subscribe and be notified when we post new content. Thanks for watching.